Hi, in this video, we will be showing you how to make 3 DIY face masks for a refreshing summer glow. The summer sun can take a toll on our skin, but with these easy-to-make masks, you can give your skin the nourishment it needs. First up is Cool Cucumber Mask. To make this mask, you'll need half a cucumber, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt. Blend the cucumber until it's a puree, then mix in the honey and yogurt. Apply the mixture to your face, and leave it on for 15 minutes, before rinsing it off. Next, we have Papaya Paradise Mask. You'll need half a ripe papaya, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Mash the papaya and mix in the coconut oil and brown sugar. Apply the mixture to your face, and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, before rinsing it off. Lastly, we have Berry Blast Mask. You'll need a handful of mixed berries, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of oatmeal. Blend the berries until they're a puree, then mix in the honey and oatmeal. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for 15 minutes before rinsing it off. These masks are packed with vitamins and antioxidants that will leave your skin feeling refreshed and glowing. Try them out, and let us know which one is your favorite, in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel, for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching.